Welcome to Mastering Mindset for the Law of Attraction. Today, we'll delve into the secrets of harnessing your mindset to manifest your dreams effortlessly. What is the law of attraction, you ask? It's the belief that positive or negative thoughts attract corresponding positive or negative experiences into your life. Step 1. Start with self-belief. Release doubt and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. Trust that the universe has your back. Step 2. Focus on what you want, not on what you lack. Your thoughts become magnetic forces that attract positive experiences, so concentrate on abundance and opportunity. Step 3. Visualize your desires as already accomplished. Create a clear mental image of your goals and let the feeling of attainment fill you up. Step 4. Gratitude is the ultimate multiplier. Be thankful for what you have, and watch the universe bring more blessings your way. Step 5. Watch your language. Use positive affirmations and words to manifest your desires. Avoid negative phrases like I can't or I'm not good enough. Step 6. Maintain an attitude of expectancy. Get excited about the miracles that are on their way into your life. Step 7. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek like-minded individuals who inspire and support your goals. Energy is contagious. Step 8. Embrace failures and setbacks. Learn from them, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward with unwavering belief. Step 9. Take inspired action. Act as if your dreams have already come true, and the universe will align circumstances to make it a reality. Step 10. Release the need for control. Trust that the universe has perfect timing and will deliver what you desire at the right moment. Remember, mastering mindset for the law of attraction is an ongoing practice. It's not a one-time thing but a lifelong journey of growth and manifestation. So, start today. Believe in yourself, focus on abundance, visualize your dreams, cultivate gratitude, and watch your life transform. We hope you enjoyed this video. Now, go out there and unlock the power of your mindset to attract all the wonders life has to offer. Remember, the power to manifest miracles lies within you. Keep believing and keep attracting.